Uganda abamu alinda kula omuntu olaba bakusirika ne bagamba agenda zuuki nti abantu bazanira mu bwangu naye kama abajajinga kuwa mayi tujajo
bwaba omuntu amanyi embeera gy'alimu omuntu akeera ku makya n'agamba nti we yabala ssente za gavumenti oyinza kumugamba ki
leka tulabe anaaba abala kyozanyira na mu kirala omuntu omanyi katube obuzibu tulinazi ng'abayimbi olina kuba strong even when you're down you force it kitegeera until you're down abantu baleka bagamba ebino bituuka okubadde bulwadde naye twamanya okuluma kubanga olaba oyimba ekibimu oli nakamanya just because mulimu you have to so I think abantu balekerawo kitwala he's been sick, still sick and he needs ambulance.
Tutunuulira abantu abasinga bwe balwala nga Chameleone Zaya endwala wavayo akatule bagamba nze ngenda muyimbirako wano. Should you think that you're going to be one of the artists that are going to help him covering events yali yakwata shows ez'enjawulo?
Yeah, definitely. I'm reached out to I will. Was it yesterday or at
Today inayoera?
Yes.
Ayinayo n'enkya?
Naye ngenda kuba nafulumamu ku weekend ebisolo Kamuli but nkyaliwo. So you never know. I'll be just a call away.
Okay. Your last message to the fans and the message that you can give to his mother, the kids?
To be strong. We keep praying. Katonda ekayasinga okumanya tuba tubikwasa amukuumye nebbanga linamwongera omukutukuulira because we still want him alive, we want him, live and kicking nga bw'abadde.
Okay. Yeah. And before we conclude, waliwo comedian yafudde bamuyita Messi. I think waliko omuntu abalabako nga bakusanyusa.
Yeah, I've met him as well.
Okay.
He worked away somewhere. And he was telling me how to invest.
So you know yourselves
we didn't know so much like a person, but I got a chance to meet him before.
Okay.
Before he left to where he's been.
Yeah.
Sometime back. So netumyamya mukolera kiki mukazi but yongera ku investing and I mean I took that really serious. Naye kibinnyo kyanaku I was even surprised. I couldn't believe it. Like omusajja abadde strong kyekiyinza okumutta naye kibinnyo byonna bya Katonda ffenna lyekkubo just don't know when we are going naye we just have to twesabire.
Thank you so much. Atwagambe ticket webazijja mu bwangu ku merchant
merchant but apparently ticket so manager Rogers management Salama Road obi wa Mwami Keti ne ku social media yange enamba kwezile z'amasimu tickets zafuluma actually people are buying tickets tables basically you can purchase a table through the contacts with platforms and the social media ate nze binjawulo nti sente za table zeno nasiriika ebisindika mobile money obujulizi bubaawo buyinza essatu zirwayo mulimu gumu kyoziwadde ki spice yennyini netukira nawo nonzize tunona table newendaga katapu from here irabiri bimu so bafanzi bange mwenna for 10 years of Spice Diana so far baguze table mbebazanya abatanaba please twanguwe bange teekateeka njagala nzikole nungi sembayo. Yes. Thank you.
Deep tissue massage, hot stone massages. So abantu bonna nga balina omanyi omuntu ng'emigongo gimuluma, shoulders zimuluma, oba obadde okola ne sports, olina nakanya mwoyo, we do all those sorts of massages, professional massages.
Abagala full body.
Byonna tubikola.
Professional full body massage. Kati Spice naye asaana kimulaba okukwe. Ali mu kivulu kimuwuuba.
Ekivulu kimuwuuba, of course it's more stressing on you right now. What she needs is to relax. that is why we are giving her a massage. Today was a massage. One more stressing. I'm so camera. One more stressing. So tomorrow massage, and then to get more Ironica facial very soon, so that her makeup can settle on, because she has a lovely skin. It's really lovely. Now to get more Ironica facial, so that her makeup can settle in during the concert.
You have couples, eh?
Yes, twin couples massages.
Spice okusinziira kwolabye ku menu kaliwa kogamba ka package akasinga okunyumira
waliwo ka bridal
ate ng'okaganya gwe nga gwe kaliwo akasinza okunyumira ka package
kana ka couples kanyume naye
naye
ka scrub tukankola bubi n'akobukonko waako akalungi nnyo ka hot stone massage naye okusinga njagala ne ka facial. Yes,
because our facials are not your ordinary facials. You're just gonna kwogera. They are professional facials. They are facials. Yes, it depends on what we are treating. So when it comes to skin, already to consider what we are treating.
You wanna go home, baby?
Are you there?
Oifanya alina bweru ndowooza okwongerera.
Okay.
So, Nana has been one of our clients for quite a while now, and we truly appreciate her and support her. And of course, she's the star girl
That I am.
And yes, we decided to buy a table for her to support her hustle, and also the fact that she has been supporting her hustle here at Illusion Spa. Thank you so much, Spice, and we look forward to coming to your concert. And then also on top of that, because we wanted to look like the style you are, we have decided to give you like a free facial for you to glow.
And massage.
And also the massage, yes, definitely.
Thank
For you to glow before your concert, and then also during the concert.
Thank you.
So anytime you're welcome.
Do my fans stand a chance one of these days?
Oh
to
yes.
win
The
offer
whole
like
of
that?
this December, we're giving a 10% off, and also some other percentages of the different treatments that we have here at Illusion Spa. For all your fans who are going to come, that she's not the only person glowing.
So where are we located?
We are at Kanyata Street, just opposite Sergeant Plaza. If you know where Aleph Restaurant is, so just around there.
So guys, just heard it from her. Thank you so much, Illusion Spa, for supporting me 10th Jan. Banak, I don't know what to say, I'm grateful. You know, getting massage and you know, facial treatment, and then on top of that, you have a table. Thank you so much. And all my fans, Abanyumiraka massage and facial like me, wanna look good, just pass by Kanyata Street. Illusion Spa, come and support them. They have the best. I mean, this place is really beautiful. Wayonjo. I've been there for a few minutes. Never, you know, because you know the house is still going on. But I'm always here. I can come back anytime. I can assure you the best services. So I'm going to now you don't find it anywhere else. So when you're not Abandaba, just pass by and get yourself very good, you know, massage. See, massage is easy. Massage is very professional. So thank you very much once again, Illusion Spa, for your support. See you 10th January at Serena. Something to say, Mama?
Just to say that it's December, it's a time to look good, it's a festive season. Please come to Illusion Spa and enjoy the beautiful and amazing treatments. And also, see you at the
Thank you very much. Okay guys, that was
Osanze bwe Osanze bwe
Sempiira.
massage.
Sempiira wendi wano.
Waliwo eyakapa makona
oyo masaji akwata kumakola engalo
Sobola laba basembereke
Illusion Spa.
push behind.
N'ekitanda kyekikoze.
So like push behind the bit. Yeah, behind it. Okay, there. Abasoka bakuba ekifaananyi. Then tukola.
Spice pale hivi ndio tusembera watu tufollow.
Mulinde ko mami ayitawo wano mukolera kitono mufeeyo bandi. Mwebala okujja time